All right, now this is the last slide. The last slide and the last lesson for the introduction to Haitian Creole. Now, like I said, this is not it. This is just an introduction to Haitian Creole. We cannot just leave you there. There's going to be more to come. But what we want you to do is to master the introduction to Haitian Creole first. And after that, you're going to find the intermediate level. So it's going to be 3 levels. This is introduction, level 1. The intermediate level is going to be level 2. And there will be level 3 as well to come. And that will be advanced level. All right? So after that, you can just go and live in Haiti if you want to. All right? And now let's go with the questions about the text. Questions about the text. That's what the title says. Keksyon Sou Tèks là. Questions about the text. Keksyon Sou Tèks là. 1. De qui ça vous pensez texte là a parlé? De qui ça vous pensez texte là a parlé? Qui ça qui frappe ou plus dans le texte là? Qui ça qui frappe ou plus dans le texte là? Est-ce que vous apprenez un bagay ou pas de connaître? Est-ce que vous apprenez un bagay ou pas de connaître? Qui ça lié ou bien qui ça yoye? Qui ça lié ou bien qui ça yoye? Now let me translate for you. 1. De qui ça vous pensez texte là parler? What do you think the text is talking about? Which you should already know because I said that. But I want you to go and read the text, all right? 2. Qui ça qui frappe ou plus dans texte là? What stands the most out to you in the text? What in the text stands the most? What in the text stands the most out to you? 3. Est-ce que vous apprenez un bagay ou pas de connaître? Did you learn something you didn't know? Did you learn something you didn't know? If yes, what is it? Or what are they, if it's more than one? Now, this is it. It was so nice to be with you for 15 lessons. Please go back and review everything and keep practicing. If you go review everything and keep practicing, then you're ready to move to the next level, to level 2. Practice makes perfect. If you want to speak a language, you need to live the language. So what you do, get yourself some Haitian friends, try to practice, and then listen to Haitian music, get a Haitian Creole Bible, all that, and then that will help you. Anything that's about Creole, any text in Creole. Thank you so very much. Peace. See you next time.